eche say obi obeji say eyina dibia na ada say or dada ne ho anase otumfu trogu nkofo ani anase onim de oka
adenti
okay opa fra am free ni bia on phone sisi the current assemblyman on becho ni party crow
but only hosa party ni
but omunim party crow
but only hosa party ni
it was the difference
is that oba o meyef sa party no sem oba as assemblyman
no oya party sem na ye den but type ben near the form
party sem for example sa assemblyman no be kono na or the party or she party be t-shirt many bonus super men ko de ho biem but we dey say oh even though our MPP and NDC inclinations there but we so am assemblyman nti me ko no ho a emu enye den kese se o me hu se we die o ye mi afi mehwe na okuta vote Bahama 2020 and I vote na 2020 because oh yeah to say I am partisan nti
say what dream you said to say the NDC for dream you say party 7 year it's about power and authority keke so when you power no authority no who control state resources no if intention no there this is the way you would think and this is the way you argue but obian so politics mo nim say it's about people so the puntu because wherever you coming from or ma ojina name nipa na sitena ni ye mu no if that is what politics is all about development
so Argentina ye jadi na onkoye ni developmental agenda in whatever capacity not necessarily
yes so person obetna akonwa ticketing ya you must be a media practitioner you must apply it obia hunu bia betuna aba betna ya na there be o person wo ye lawyer and you also call law school na say no senior person footballer learn how to play football untumi ka say me so me Ghana ni therefore kwesi apia frame na me so me ball ni bi we talking about politics so yeah politics where at the local government issues are can kura to begin with oko assembly ho na emra na ya hye kura di control this local government system no ejina 4 legs so assembly na kasa no the DC or partisan and as on partisan pen appointment or partisan the MP ko 4 legs so the MP or partisan and as on partisan or partisan the elected the appointed members or partisan as on partisan they are and now the elected members just 1 out of the 4 pay and then the partisan base go. Does it make sense? So 4 leg na assembly na kase generation 3 out of it partisan.
Okay.
Now 1 na kano.
I didn't know already no.
Yes.
I didn't honorable me ask a question. Said your constitution is CTA. And this regime here and no person was munya the benefits of 2001 to 2008 and you worked with it. Mubet me actually be a tosini during that period now. What the year you must said ye net ye you know.
Society, even constitution said ye dynamic.
Maybe it's a specific question.
Yes, I don't know me answering. Society be a dynamic. So because enra ye ni say enra near to nuakamu and a cool school. Eti ene Satan yet in nuakamu ye who problems be out of it. Enti ene young
person problem no.
Yes, said na me
that period no. Notwithstanding the fact some campaign it was one of your campaign promises some ba mo bese sana ma ye said ye ne ya mo pese mo ye.
Yes.
But throughout no mo anya ne sa na bisa say mo ye bibi wo ho a eto sini ana.
Definitely, we need to improve. For example, say at the top, no, I be divisive. Let me be say, we are sure say, see, learning from the beginning, and you are practicing at that level. The bar so hard, and cause divisiveness, you can was having issue ana. It is a official divisiveness. Echo was so a problem. Solution, they say, you bet. learn how to tolerate each other from the beginning.
And my suggestion be in addition to the what can I say? They say yes, schools, private school, basic schools near the no. Young man kwadani so more exercise or more beliefs in various political ideologies. One shall see him feel more bring because of
no, you can't voting age. Brand nipano enya you can say Christ. What do mpempe so bia otumi kire na dwen e wo se hwan
China ni akola na so ball no hoye akola keteke
football yes and I'm say football dey no different
me abu so yes won ko ball no mfam
yes and I'm say football dey no e different because enkora no say allow omo a ebe mo ma beto aba na
yeah man nto but say
ne wo
so about onkuntin kwa na prepare nipa for political office me just say about onkuntin
multi-partisan is about it see ye beto aba ni aka say minua Eric and then ko ono betumi aye adwuma no na say minua tiki ana say
but training to become say ni pano there
that is why I say
abato na kire training say ni pano be ye sa niema na be ma na timi aba be ye type of person aye pe no assemblyman whatever no
ye issue ni na ye say omo points omo de ba no saba obi emu a say esoro no bikre ni ade e wo soro ho eti omu fisi de kwase ho bi so ba yes and I make sure say bikre no wo soro ha because ya mfa anteten look tiki oma bi wo makomo a hwe Ghana ham the way are Christians ni Muslims you to meet together for uhu problem bia wo fit no adentia we've been like that from yankora brema bepem ene even tribal issues are and any issues bio ketesi Kwame Nkrumah no those people were started boarding house system nitino me hu me nua so fi he it's no more an issue bio eso ko ba bia na ka major issue so for them say me no share now you Muslim na me Christian and even within the Christendom no kra no me call Latter-day Saints na wo ye Pentecostal it's not an issue because right from yankora brom ya used to it ya mature with it we tolerate each other multi-partisan issue don't forget say your foreign culture ye de nka ye di nananom ahensem om de nka tumisem na no mudi tumisem na no mudi tine your foreign any de e be share ye kon ya giatum say yesu ye besua house ye nia ye nyi ye mpanyimfo it's ye besua ni yesua ni ye di a and I make say yen started from down there. They started from down there, near become tolerant of one another's view. You who say yes, after all, it's not yes. Organic one as a coin kitano. But the other side, nipping the down, the other side, no, Caribbean a down. And as organic, no, white key womb, black key's womb. Ubo white key no qua, and you know, and yet de, enquiry, ubo black no qua, and yet de enquiry, but two no. It is how you used to it.
Unim piano mukra.
PC
white keys. I just bought 7th note now bought black back one frame. But ordinarily, but that's on the lighter side. But ordinarily, other keys no bob will be frame.
But the bottom line, me say,
no be example.
So me koya me tears and watch them because I'm the back what me dream. So the bottom line is say you between and learn coexistence. It doesn't matter. Say tie me yakotokoni na minua bi or house and I say yeah. It doesn't matter. Me nko or say to me tinaka bakum near co stadium. Ye be fear ya sabe we fufu edi. It doesn't matter. So come Methodist na me call Latter-day Saints. It doesn't matter. So what NDC na me what MPP. It shouldn't matter. So it's the problem of say cost was run. The resolution they say ye be teach our people. Right from the word go, no man say it doesn't matter. Ye gina after all, say them kind say nye power, ni authority ni keke na ope. Na botai ne say mpontu na apaso di kokoro so dia. Ti se mu nyina botai no e ye pese ye firi ha ye kokumase. Except say me feel say ye fa air ye ko buy air. Means no dia ye ko buy ni be du ntem. On the other hand say ye pese ye ko da kumase keke dia what's the point? Say me ko buy air na ye nko no boko ye nya botai de nya yi. There be me purchase be our time, luxury of time. To while away the time when you drive one na so
the timing belt at TC Nkoko plane 40-30 bis when
I don't so be to me see 5 minutes so but at the end of the day no nyina mbota say yen kukumase it is I know also to me this year tribi say ye nyina botai ne say ye fam pontuo emra na mum me what decide them say kwan we so ne fa so a e bedu ntem so say kwan we so do you convince me as to why we should go by air or by road? We should be tolerant, that's all.